everyone, good afternoon. I think we're already in the afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. I thank Print Week and Watt Packaging for giving me this opportunity to present some of our special work against the stalwarts of the industry. Some of you may not know us. We are based out of Ahmedabad. We are only into label manufacturing, and we're doing this from the past 30 years now. And we still want to continue doing this, and we want to grow in this industry. So I have divided my presentation into 3 parts, basically. One is an emotional engagement story. The second is an interactive experience. And the third is operational efficiency. I think all of us want operational efficiency. So to start with the first, I think we've seen a lot of calendars, and I'll also be sticking to calendars. So this is our 2026 calendar that we have on display. So what we did was every year we do our different calendars, and we like to do new stories. This year our theme was animals, the Indian wildlife. So what we've done is we've given each animal a different fur texture. Each of these have a different foiling effect, layers of varnishes, and a story to tell. So this gave a lot of our partners an engagement, an emotional engagement with the animals being in their office desk, and they can connect with them emotionally. So I'll put it on display. And the second one that I'm going to talk about today is an interactive experience that we had. We had this customer who had a product which was mainly for their alcobev infused drinks, basically. So what they wanted was that their drinks or the bottle of water is going to be kept under UV light or club lighting. So we wanted the label to be simple. It has foiling, it has screen emboss, it has an half-tone special ink. But what we want that whenever this bottle goes into any of the clubs, we wanted that there is an invisible ink effect that we have. You can see it on the screen right like this. So whenever it goes in any club, this is the effect we wanted to give them. It has what gave the brand was it gave retention, it gave consumers a gimmicky experience, it gave them a counterfeiting option also. Plus, it was something new for the consumers to experience, especially when the product was put where it needs to be put. And the third one, as I said, was we wanted to do something which is operationally efficient. So we had a lot of people visiting us, we had brands visiting us who, nowadays, what the trend that we see with brands right now is they have a lot of SKUs, but the volumes are getting shorter and shorter. So they wanted something special for them, and it became difficult to make their products into different monocartons. So the idea that we came up with was that we streamline the monocarton, we keep it same across the range or across the pack size, and we do different types of labels with all the embellishments that are possible on labels, which gave them an easier inventory to manage, quicker launches, reduced timelines, reduced cost, and it also gave the monocarton guys a longer and a bigger run, while we do the shorter runs and we can do our embellishment parts. So that way we had less inventory, less waste, more flexibility, and more profit in general. So it gave the business was simple and easy to replace all these many monocartons to one simple monocarton and different labels. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and I hope the session was short and understandable.